Yeah, we're moving stuff out today. I'm tired. Just got done moving a bunch of Sportster stuff. That's heavy. They got more down there to do. So all these shelves here are putting out in the truck and trailer right now. So I'm getting pretty winded. It's not that hot today, but it's hot for me. Working my butt off. These boxes are 100-pounders or better. A lot of these boxes I'm doing right now. So stacking up a lot of this stuff. So we're moving up into these ones up here. So we're putting them on a dolly and hauling them out of here. So those ones down there are full of Sportster sprockets and real heavy stuff. So this is how you do a move. You work. Yeah, this is a light one. Clutches and kicker parts. I'm going to skip to the bottom shelf because I know what's down there. Clutch baskets and other parts. That was a light one. Training gears. That was light. I'm moving on a heavy one. Oh yeah. Ugh, steel. Permanently drive stuff. How's that for a box of crap? Does that look heavy? It is. Yeah. Oh, this stuff's heavy. You can't lift with your legs when you're stuck in the hole. Whew. Yeah. Another box of steel. Kicker shafts. And gears. See? Nice and light. I put back support on this time because the rocker shafts were killing me. And rocker arms and camshafts. Alright, more heavy crap. There you go. That's how it's done. This stuff's light up here. This stuff here is heavy. I cleared out most of my cam covers and clutch baskets yesterday. Yeah, when you're picking up nothing but steel, it's heavy. The aluminum adds up too, but there's no weight on that. Gotta make sure it's flat so you can put a box on it. Alright. So much for Sportster. Let me move on to the big twin shell. And if you want motor parts to work on motors, they ain't gonna be here no more. We're pulling all this stuff out of here. So if we need parts to work on motors, we're gonna have a problem. Sorry about that box. Yeah, like this box. This is one of the heavy ones. There. That's solid rocker shelf. Well, there's a lot of heavy stuff like this in the shelf unit. You got old stuff up here. Oh, that's only half a box. It's heavy. This box is heavy. That's at head level, so. See, that's above my head, so it'll drop down on my head. That'd be perfect. Yeah, we're gonna be pulling those out now. Now, somebody's stealing something over there. Over the shelf just said, thank you, you just unloaded me. All right, we'll show you what the trailer looks like later. Back to work. All right, I'm getting tired again. I did a little rust break, I'm back moving heavy stuff. I think that box is 50% steel. It weighs about that much. So the 23-foot trailer is 2/3 full of boxes now. And Fred's truck is half full. Getting fuller. I broke my S10, I blew the transmission up in it. Too much power shifting. That second to third full power upshift broke it last time. Snapped the shift fork 3/4 off again. So I think that truck's gonna get retired. Tired of fixing the same shitty cranny. But anyway, that's a loaner for now. So I took an hour or so off, and it's only 11:30 now, so I cleared off the frame rack up there. No more frames. They're on the floor now. Yeah. So I can go in the back of the trailer. See, empty. They're all on the floor now. So there's my bike there, 71. That's I got an admin rear suspension on that bike. Project from 20-something years ago. Big twin frames, a lot of Sportster frames. A few motors floating around. Rigid frame bike projects I never did anything with. K-model frames. Lots and lots of Sportster frames. All years, all models. A couple more big twin frames, never painted frames over there, all mixed in. 45 frames. So I gotta grab those up next, but not this load, and I still got my VL frame up there. So we're pulling them off as we can. I'm working my way to the massive pile behind all that junk. This side's getting cleared away, as you can see. So we'll be hauling this whole shelf unit out here full of crap out of here probably a couple days. Start clearing that out. Start working on wheels. After I get all the frames up in the container, I'm going to put wheels in the container. Got a lot of wheels. Big stacks of wheels. They might go in a different container. Container's 40 foot long, and there's about 40 feet worth of frames here. We'll see how many I can stack in the hole. So we're ignoring work. We're just working on moving. I got to put this bike back together so it's a roller, and then haul it up and throw it in storage. Put it off to the side for a couple years, or until I get time to play with it again. Maybe next year I'll dig it out. Who knows? For now, it's going to storage. I'm going to start hauling out heavy stuff. Got this drill presses and table. I unburied my big table here. I got to clear a path for the forklift to come down this ramp and pick this sucker up. This is an old milling machine top put onto a big heavy base. Got to clear it off. See, that's solid cast iron there. That there is the real deal. This table's half wool, I think. It ain't moving either. It's heavy by itself. But yeah, it's going to storage. I don't have room for it. I'm going to start pulling pallet racks down, and once we empty them out, we'll start yanking them out. So I thought this side would go first. It looks like this side's going to go first. We'll see. All right. There's your update. Rest break's over. Time to get back to work. I'm going to move some more stuff in the Fred's truck. Yeah. Must have heavy suspension there because it's not dropped very much yet. All that weight I put in there. All right, that's it for now. Back to work. Got a whole room full of stuff to move. All right, 3 a.m. Just got done loading the trailer up, so all those frames that were up there and down there are now over there. So it's an interweave of rat nest of frames. So nothing's going anywhere. They're all interlocked. I'll throw some straps on there too, just to make everybody happy, but it's definitely got a load of them on there. And of course, we get all the parts, gray boxes. I don't have a net, so I just do a whole bunch of frames on top of the boxes to keep stuff from sucking out at my slightly elevated speeds I drive at. Of course, you don't want to break the speed limit. So anyway, this is all, there's bunches of frames all over the place. So there you go. There's a big load of going out, and then of course Fred's truck is full of all my motor parts and tranny parts. So we're not going to be working on too many motors and stuff right now for a while. Parts are all going away. So there you go. One big load of crap heading out. Some of the stuff's good though. It's all crap when you gotta move it though. Alright, so that's it. Let me get out of here. I'm tired. Time to go home. Alright, there you go.